Many are curious if silver is a real and better alternative to the dollar. The one thing silver and gold have in common and going for them is its global relevance. It's used by every country in the world. The dollar is the world's reserve currency, but not the only one. That means countries trading with others can bypass the dollar and use other recognized currencies like the euro, the yen, the Chinese yuan. No country can bypass silver because you cannot substitute it with anything in the industries that need it. For example, the world is trying to transition to renewable energy. Solar panels are in great demand, and one of their main components is silver. You cannot replace it with copper or wood chips or paper. It has to be silver because there's no other material that can conduct energy the way that silver can. That being said, people won't lose faith in silver the same way they can lose faith in a currency. You can't go and say, I don't have the confidence in silver, it shouldn't be used for solar panels. They need it. This is science. They need it for these solar panels. Confidence is really the biggest factor when a currency collapses. There's also some big time investors trying to manipulate silver and gold prices, and they're trying to prop up the dollar. This can only be accomplished in the short term. The physical price of silver will go up over time. The growing demand for silver on the industrial side will soon make that strategy and the manipulation that they're trying to do ineffective. Much of the silver mine each year is used to make cell phones, flat screen TVs, and solar panels. With silver essential to the production of cell phones, flat screen TVs, solar panels, and medical services, almost 50% of its annual production, this restricts the amount of newly mined silver available for purchase by precious metals collectors and investors. In the coming years, when many of the new technologies requiring silver mature, the price of silver could move up substantially because of this supply and demand relationship alone. Mining is another reason silver supply is failing to meet demand. Any asset with less supply and more demand increases in value. And there's very few standalone silver miners, with the exception of Coeur d'Alene, Hecla, Silver Corp, and Alexico Resources. There are very few large companies that primarily mine silver. Many miners that produce silver often do it as a byproduct of other base metals. But as the world economy slips into economic contraction, the demand for base metals stalls, and there's less silver available because base metal production will decline. With the declining supply of silver and increasing need for renewable energy, countries where silver is mined by corporations will soon realize they need silver for themselves. In times of deep economic contraction, countries that host private firms that extract silver and gold will be among the first to nationalize those foreign-owned mines. Countries such as Mexico, Peru, Ecuador, even the US may just decide one day they'll no longer permit private miners to extract and sell resources from their country's land at bargain prices, and they'll seize those mines. It's happened before. It's hard for people to appreciate and see the potential growth of silver value because it's stalled for so many years. But that's why we're here. We're here to explain the facts and hopefully help you make some better investment decisions. So if you have some questions, give us a call, 877-646-5347 for a no pressure discussion about silver. If you want to open an IRA, you'll be surprised how easy it is. We have a full staff to help you with the paperwork. We'll help you find that old form you've been looking for. We can do it all. And you'll also have a dedicated associate that will walk you through the whole process. Actually, you'll have a few associates walking you through the process. Opening an account will literally take no more than 5 minutes. So if you're ready to get started, go to our website, noblegoldinvestments.com. You can find the form there. Or if you want to just get some information, go to noblegoldinvestments.com.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.